Once you click on the Google Sheet link for the social media sign up page, you'll either see this page, one of these pages, or this page. I'm not sure how it actually formats or which page it lands on, but this is a public post. When I'm in here editing and you're in here editing, we will see each other's cursors, writing, copying, and pasting. So please be aware that that's the case. So please don't delete things to try and clean it up or whatnot, because you will be changing it for everybody. On this first tab down at the bottom, you've got a README tab, which says basically all the videos that you need for understanding Google Sheets. The link for that video that I'm recording right now will be here, so you can watch it again. How to choose a proper template in Canva. You can watch this quick video. Most of these videos are about 1.5 minutes. This video that you're watching now is probably the longest of all of them. How to pick the dates. So it'll tell you how you're going to put your name next to stuff. How to do holiday post. It's going to tell you how to do these holiday post and everyday post. How to do special theme post. How to do Canva template links. How to create the correct template link in Canva so that you're not sending the wrong one out and having your stuff destroyed. Where to send the link. You have an option to send it to me in my Facebook page. You also have the option on most of these pages to put the template link in the social media calendar that we have here within the sign up sheet, and how these will be used. That goes over all the stuff that we'll be doing on Facebook and on your business profile page and how these are used. So that's really important after you get done with working on all this to know exactly how we can use it. Now, to help understand the sheet a little bit, if you go to February, it starts at 18th. There are hidden files here. You don't need to add in 1 through 17. They've already been done. They were skipped for a reason. When you get to March, all of those dates should be here. April, all these dates should be here. May, there are hidden dates. The reason they've stopped here is because Facebook does not allow us to schedule farther than this. So our goal is to finish March, April, and the beginning of May before we start doing June, July, August, etc. In my personal opinion, I think it's best that we fill up these dates first. These are the daily holiday posts, and you have a link here you can click on to see each of those based on the month you're in. Then we have things like everyday posts, which are positive sayings or promotional things about balloons in general that are not date specific. So an April Fool's post would not go here. An April Fool's post might go in the major holidays or the everyday holidays. Engagement, wedding, congrats, birthdays, they could theoretically be everyday posts, but we're organizing those into their actual themes when they're themed. An everyday post is more something like, balloons are awesome, balloons make me smile, smile with balloons, balloons are great, balloons help the party pop, but don't pop my balloons, like those types of things. Major holidays, Valentine's Day, St. Patty's Day, Easter, that kind of thing, those will be covered on the holidays on the daily holiday post, but for something like Valentine's Day, we had like 30 something posts created that we did as a build up, as a promotional for Valentine's Day. For St. Patty's Day, we're doing something similar. We have about 30 posts that we're doing that build up as a promotional for St. Patty's Day. Though these are important, most all of these have already been done for the ones that are current, and we certainly will want to do more, but I just wanted to have a place for these in case someone wanted to do them. Now, everywhere else we have a template link. If you create some stuff and you want to put a template link, I do not have them for these guys. So if you do one of these and you want to put your template link over here, just write whatever it is down here. So you would do like birthday, and then you'd put your template here, right? So that would allow you to put your template link there as well. And now, just so that we have plenty of space for this, I'm just gonna put that down the rest of the way. But anyway, that is your basic overview of the Google Docs file. The big takeaway here, number one, this is a shared file. Please do not edit it. If you would like to edit it on your own as something, for some reason, you can go to File and make a copy and use the copy that you edit if you need it to be pretty for you. But otherwise, this is a file meant to be dirty, nasty, simple, to the point. So please use it as such. Just throw in your name where you want to do stuff, get it done, put in a template link. We'll get all these things knocked out. We'll get the whole year done in a couple of weeks.